In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect requests in Asana using a project form. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable way for teammates or stakeholders to submit what they need. And you'll see every submission arrive as a neatly organized task in your project. First, open the Asana project where you want to collect requests. Pick the space where those tasks naturally belong, maybe a design request project, an IT help desk project, or a simple team inbox. Having a dedicated home keeps everything centralized and makes follow-up much easier. Next, head to the area where forms live. Depending on your Asana layout, you'll either click Customize in the top right and look for the Forms section, or you may see a Forms tab in the project's toolbar. Either path leads you to the same place. Create a new form for this project. Give it a clear, action-oriented name so people know exactly what it's for. A short description helps set expectations, like who should use it and what happens after submission. Keep the structure simple. A short, well-aimed form gets better responses than a long, confusing one. Now add the essential questions. Include the requester's name so you know who to follow up with. Add a request details field for the full description of the need. Encourage specifics like links, files, or context so your team can start quickly. Include a due date field, which helps you understand timelines, and a priority field to separate urgent items from nice to haves. Choose question types that match the information you want. Short text for names, a long text area for details, a date picker for due dates, and a drop down for priority. Mark any must-haves as required so you don't have to chase missing details later. Arrange the questions in a logical order and preview the form to confirm it's clear. When you're happy, publish the form and copy the share link. Distribute it wherever your requesters live. Pin it in Team Docs, share it in chat, or add it to your intranet. If you're sharing externally, check your sharing settings so the right people can access it. It's a good idea to test the link yourself to confirm the form behaves as expected. Finally, review submitted forms as new tasks inside the project. Each submission will appear automatically with the answers mapped into the task fields. Open a task to see the details, assign an owner, add followers, and adjust due dates or priority as needed. You can also use project filters to group and sort incoming work so nothing slips through the cracks.